You lying, sister.
I don't see the snap. Who is she?
No going back, sis.
So this coming weekend, I am going to go get my hair colored. Yes, I have been talking about it with y'all where I'm like, no, not right now, not right now. I don't know, nah, never. Today is, well, this weekend is happening. We're going for it. We're going for it. Like, do I go back to the color that I had before, or do I try something new? And so much of me is leaning towards red. I didn't send her red though. She did a great job from the ombre, it was beautiful. But now I'm like, do I go red on y'all? Do I go ginger on y'all? I basically want a color that I can maintain. Almost done with school. We got 2 months left. Basically 2 months left. But I want something that I can maintain. I'm still gonna go to the salon so they can maintain it even more, but you get what I'm saying, just at home. But with my gray hair, I also don't want it to grow in weird, because that can happen. Or I just need to embrace it. I don't know. So if something can keep my roots dark, and then we can gradually do something on the, the rest of the hair, then bet. I also told myself that next time I got my hair colored that I would never do my whole head. And now I'm taking that back. Hair is looking good. So this is a good before and after. This was a twist out, which that video should be up, but a twist out on blown out hair. And I used mousse, a little bit of water and mousse to make this happen. And now this is a week. Are we at a week? I think we're at a week and 2 days old. So the other day I retwisted it. I put a moisturizer in it and I had to really fluff it to get it back big. Like I had to separate this thing. Let's go to Chicago. Bye. All right, so we are in the car. I had to stop and get Panera Era. Look, peach and blueberry smoothie, but with no almond milk, no milk at all. It doesn't need it. It doesn't. Then I always get, I say a little bagel. That's how it looks. It needs to be this color. Now, when I know it's wrong, you know how some of y'all Starbucks people, you know when you order wrong, you can tell by the color. So, I'm the same way. Asiago bagel. We made it. So.
They used to let you like sign in as a teacher and it was like this. How is Romance doing?
You know, I just talked to her. And I was like, I need to come to Ohio.
Right.
Like, that's what's up next.
Exactly. I don't think I've ever been to Ohio. Got some shifting.
Yeah, she really had to talk to me about like making a decision.
We had to have a conversation. Okay? We had to have a conversation.
And so we're gonna see what she do, because I just had to show. But like she said, she was like, most people like to be ashy, and I said, oh, I don't want to be ashy. So
People really do like to be more ashy. The girls don't like warm.
wow.
If it's copper and red, but mostly like blondes, people want to be ashy for blondes.
They said we gonna.
But what's trendy is warm, buttery blondes. That's what's trending right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Y'all excited? Great.
can always, like in the spring, you want to come back, I'll throw like a couple of highlights at the top.
Well, pop, I get you.
Pop, pop. We're trying to go healthy. We're trying to take you all the way up that high and have your own the floor.
Thanks.
No, he didn't. He's a creeper.
And then he even. My hair really is colored. Wow. And ignore the ceiling. That's makeup. Just makeup on makeup.
So yeah, let me know if y'all like my hair color. Let me know.